Hello everybody, Bruce here with a short video based upon some feedback I received in the Module 3 exit slips. And I really appreciate all the feedback that you're providing. This little demo has to do with try and accept or exception handling in programming, and specifically Python. So I wrote a short little program here, 16-line program, that is going to attempt to connect using Python to the Clark website. And if it can connect to the Clark website, then it's going to print out a message that it has connected to the Clark website, smiley face. And then I wrote a loop that's going to print out, we are connected 10 times, just because I wanted to do that. However, if something goes wrong on line 8, when it tries to connect to the Clark website, then it's going to jump to this exception handler here that's going to print out, I could not connect to the Clark website. Okay, so let me go through the code. We're importing a library called requests. When you type in a URL in your browser, maybe to get to Canvas or Facebook or wherever you're going with your browser, and hit enter, you are making a request to that website to get that URL, to get that web page and send you back the data. Obviously, my Python program here is not a web browser. It's just some code trying to connect to this URL, okay? So the next thing that I do is I print a message out here. By the way, I assign that URL to the variable URL. I print a message out and then I say, hey, try to do this stuff. Try to do all of this indented code. Try to do it. And if for some reason something goes wrong, okay, in this case, it's an exception that we couldn't connect to that URL, clark.edu, okay? Then if something goes wrong, it's going to jump down again to that exception handler. Okay, so if it's able to connect, the code carries on, prints out this message with the smiley face, and then it prints out 10 times, we are connected. I just wanted to add this code in here just to be all fancy pants, all right? Again, if there's something that goes wrong, it's going to then drop down to this exception and print this out, okay? And then at the very end, it's going to tell me the program has ended, right? So again, think of this like you're working and doing homework, and all of a sudden, like someone asks you to do something you didn't expect to do, right? Like they want you to go do a chore, or they want you, I don't know, or the dog threw up, all right, on the carpet, or something like that, right? That's an exception. That's like not normal. It's if something happens to go wrong, right? So that's what try and accept are. I can put, one line of code indented here or a million lines. And if anything ever happens or goes wrong, maybe the person entered data wrong, maybe, I don't know, the internet wasn't available, whatever it may be, you as a programmer can handle with this accept thing here how you want to proceed knowing that you got an error, right? So check this out. Ready? Run Python file and program. And look at this. See, we got it. It says program has started. I have connected to the Clark website. We are connected. We are connected. We are connected, right? Now, let me make this fail, okay? Let me make it so the exception gets handled here. So let's type in clarkpub.edu, right? I don't think that's a website. Hopefully it's not. So I'm going to right-click, run Python file and terminal. And oops, program has started. I could not connect to the Clark website. Program has ended. So it tried to do this and it said, I can't do that. So it threw an exception and code execution resumed with this code under here. I hope this video helps to start explaining try accept. And again, I want to thank everyone who gave me feedback on their exit slips about this. Do me a favor. Send me a direct message letting me know that this helps or it still doesn't help for some extra credit. Have a good day. Take care.